Look what I got. Another package. But, anyways. Sorry, my sister's not here, so I had to open it up with my hand. Can you guess what it was? There'll be Christmas next month, and Christmas is $50. Like 5 more days until the last day of November. Have 5 plus 25. There's 30 more days until Christmas. And this DVD is all about Christmas. Can you tell me what it was? You're right. It is Thomas and Friends, The Christmas Engines. I got this as the Canadian copy, so it's like, just like Cars in the Thunder Engine, that got this Canadian copy, and it's by Best Buy. So anyways, this is like in French version. You have the front, the spine, and the back cover. I finally got a second Canadian DVD. The first one is Wobbly Wheels and Whistles, as you can see right at the shelf. But anyways, look. Let's unwrap it up. Oh, look at this. Like Merry Christmas, Thomas, the case is broken. But never mind with that. Anyways, I will tell the episodes, like, really soon. See that? Anyways, there's a disc. Yep. Best DVD ever. Wait, whoa. Very good. I like this DVD. And the bonus versions have the sing-along song is Christmas Time and the Guess Who puzzles. Yep. Thank you all for watching, and there'll be 30 more days until Christmas. Good.